What's up, guys? So I got a bunch of truck parts that I'm gonna be installing on the Duramax. So let's go check them out. Alright, so here's some of the truck parts I'm gonna be installing. So I got S&B turbo mouthpiece. I got a up pipe. I got a ergdelete kit from Pusher. Let's see, I got a 3-inch down pipe. I got the Fass Titanium Signature Series lifter pump with the sump kit from GNR. And I got little parts to put on here. Got fuel pressure regulator, ported fuel, rail fittings, and a fuel block for the fuel rail. Yeah, so let's go put them on. Hey guys, so my phone died, and then I had to go eat, so now it's dark. But let me show you everything that I've done so far. So I had to take the alternator off so I could get to the rest of these pieces. So I got most of the EGR off, and the little Y-bridge part. See, it's over here. And now I'm just trying to get to taking these bolts off so I can put the Y-bridge in. The cooler's still on there because I can't get to those back bolts. But yeah, that's everything I've done so far. Hey, so a little update. Been having trouble with that up pipe. I got all 3 bottom bolts off. So the top one, I got the first one off, and then I stripped one, and I snapped the other one. Snap one, I can extract it later, but that stripped one is gonna be a pain. Either gotta reshape it or get another extractor to try to extract it out. I got that EGR cooler off too though. Hey guys, so I got one of these ported fuel rails off. Here's the stock one. See how small the hole is? Here's the one I'm going to be putting on. And update on that up pipe. Finally got it off. One bolt is broken off in there, but I have to extract that. Yep. And that second one off. Put the new one on. another update. When I was getting my Y bridge on, I snapped the map sensor off. So I had to get a new piece. I had to get a new part. Is this little guy. You do not want to snap these things off. These are pretty expensive for the little piece they are. Got my up pipe on, got my down pipe on. Just working on finishing up, buttoning everything up. So another update. I was trying to get this hose on here to the turbo mouthpiece, and this brittle ass hose broke. It's a CCV hose. So good thing I live across the street from O'Reilly's. So I'm gonna get in. Alright, so I finally got all this buttoned up, everything installed. I was having some issues. I was getting codes, it went into lit mode, and the code I got was for the fuel pressure regulator. So it was a brand new one, but some Chinese one, so I bought a Bosch one, and that fixed the issue. And everything is good to go now. Let's start it up.